So here is a sample paper for class 7 social science periodic test. Total mark is 40 and 3 chapters are covered, that is geographical diversity of India, the rise of empire, and the constitution and introduction. Okay, these 3 chapters are there. MCQs are there of 10 marks, very short answer question, short notes, case study, long answer question, and map work is there. Okay, so let us try to solve this question sample paper. So the first question is, choose the correct option. The fertile soil found in river valleys formed by river is called black soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, red soil. Alluvial soil. The word Himalaya is derived from which language? Hindi, Sanskrit, Persian, Greek. Sanskrit. What were guilds in ancient India? Group of soldiers, association of traders and craftsmen, group of farmers, a type of tax. Guilds were the association of traders and craftsmen. Who were satraps? Soldiers in the army, governor of provinces, priest in temple, traders in guild, governor of provinces. The Indian Constitution came into force on 26 Jan 1950, 15 August 1947, 26 November 1949, 2 October 1950, 26 Jan 1950. The preamble is the dash of the Constitution. Ending, middle section, introduction, summary of law. Introduction. Deccan Plateau is made of limestone, granite and basalt, sandstone, alluvium, granite and basalt. Asoka belonged to which dynasty? Maurya, Gupta, Chola, Nanda. Maurya dynasty. Fundamental rights are guaranteed to only men, only adult, all citizens of India, only government employee, all citizens of India. Which river forms the Sundarban Delta? Yamuna, Narmada, Ganga Brahmaputra, Mahanadi. Ganga Brahmaputra. Okay. So 10 MCQs are done. Now very short answer question. 3 questions are there. Question number 2. What is preamble? The preamble is the introduction to the Constitution that states its ideal, objectives and guiding principle. What is an empire? An empire is a large political unit or territory ruled by a single authority, usually an emperor or a powerful king. Next, what is meant by geographical diversity? It refers to the variety of physical features such as mountain, plain, plateau, river and climate found in a region. Now section C, that is short answer question, 2 marks each. What in your opinion are 2 important geographical features of India? Why do you think they are important? So here you can just name also, like I have given the Himalayas and the northern plain. However, I have also given explanation also. So the Himalayas, they act as a natural barrier protecting India from invasion from north. They also influence the climate by blocking cold wind. The northern plain, this plain have fertile alluvium soil making them ideal for agriculture. Now why do you think they are important? Both features are crucial for protection, agriculture, water resources and supporting life in India. Okay. Next, why is Asoka remembered as a great ruler? So Asoka is remembered for spreading Buddhism, promoting peace and non-violence and working for the welfare of his people after the Kalinga War. Why do we need a constitution? We need a constitution to ensure justice, equality and freedom for all citizens and to provide a framework for running the government. Okay. So short answer question has been done. Now we will see 1 3 marks question answer. Here option is there. 2 questions are there. Why are the Maurya considered important in early Indian history? Or what are the key features of the Constitution of India? Okay, choice is there, but I have given both the answer. So the Mauryas established a strong and well-organized empire that united most of India. They maintained law, order and efficient administration across the empire. Under Emperor Asoka, they promoted trade, welfare and spread Buddhism widely. Next is, what are the key features of the Constitution of India? Democratic. The government is chosen by the people through elections. Republic. The head of the state is elected, not a hereditary ruler. Secular. The Constitution treats all religion equally. Rule of law. Everyone, including the government, must follow the law. Okay. So here is a choice. However, answer has been given, right? Now, write short notes on any one. Okay. The first is the Indian island. Second is the rise of Magadha. I have given both the answer. India has two major groups of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. They have strategic importance and rich biodiversity. The islands are sparsely populated. They contribute to tourism, fishing and defense. Magadha in ancient India became powerful due to fertile land near the Ganga river that supported agriculture. They control over trade routes which increased wealth. The rise of Magadha was supported by strong leadership under kings like Bimbisara and Ajasturu, who expanded the kingdom and strengthened its administration. Magadha later became the core of large empires like Maurya and Gupta. Okay, here again choice is there. Now, 4 marks question answer. Why is the southern part of India referred to as a peninsular plateau? Since it is 4 marks, so answer has been given in the point wise. 4 points are there. The southern part of India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, forming a peninsula. It is mostly made up of highland and flat top hills forming a plateau. The Deccan Plateau occupies most of this region. It has rich mineral resources and fertile soil due to its plateau structure. Now next question is, why is the Indian Constitution referred to as the longest written constitution in the world? The Indian Constitution has many detailed provisions about government rights and duties of citizens. It originally contained 395 articles, now extended to over 450 articles along with 12 schedules. It covered a wide range of subjects like fundamental rights, directive principle, administration and judiciary. Its length and detail make it more comprehensive than any other written constitution in the world. Okay. So this is the long question answer. Now one case study is there. Read the passage and answer the following. Okay. 4 questions are there. The northern plains are formed by the alluvium deposit of the river Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. These plains are thickly populated because the soil is very fertile and suitable for agriculture. Irrigation facilities and transportation networks are well developed in this region. Now, name the 3 major rivers mentioned, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. What type of soil is found here? Alluvium soil. Why is the region thickly populated? Because the soil is fertile and support agriculture. How do rivers help agriculture here? Rivers provide water and bring nutrients-rich silt that increases crop yield. Last is map work. Mark the following on the map of India. First is Agra, Lakshadweep, Thar Desert and Eastern Ghat. Okay. So, Agra, this is Uttar Pradesh, right? So, here we will mark the Agra. Then next is Lakshadweep. So, Lakshadweep Island, right? Then Thar Desert is there. It is in Rajasthan. Thar Desert. Then Eastern Ghat. So here this is Tamil Nadu, right, till Odisha. Andhra Pradesh and then till Odisha we will cover the eastern Ghat. Okay, so these are the 4 map pointing, right? So here we have covered 40 marks sample paper for class 7. I hope this sample paper is going to help you while going through for your preparation for your upcoming periodic test. Thank you so much for watching until the end.